Hi, my name is Vincent, and in this video, I will make a complete review on Dripify. So I will tell you what I like, what I don't like, and if it's the right tool if you want to send LinkedIn messages and cold emails. By the end of this video, you will know exactly if you should use this tool for your outreach or not. Let's dive in. Alright, just before we start, if you want to try Dripify for free, you can click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. Once you are on this page, you just need to go here and click on Start for free, and then you will be able to create your account on Dripify. Just to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you will get the best available deal if one day you upgrade for a paid plan. And that being said, it's time to start the review. So I will start this review by explaining what is Dripify, then I will cover the pros, and I will at the end cover the cons. And now let's start with the first question. What is Dripify? So basically with Dripify, you can send LinkedIn messages and cold emails. And a feature that allows you to do both is called multi-channel outreach. So basically with Dripify, you can manage all your outreach in just one place. So you can send emails and LinkedIn messages, and you can manage all your replies directly in Dripify. Now let's move on to the pros. And the first one is that it's a multi-channel outreach tool. So basically, as I told you, you can send LinkedIn messages and cold emails. So if I go on Dripify, then I click here on campaigns. So here you see all my campaigns. If I click on this campaign, then I click on sequence. Here you can see my sequence. So as you can see here, if I have the email of my leads, I will send some cold emails. But if I don't have the email of the lead, I will send LinkedIn messages. And of course, you can combine both. So for example, here I have some cold emails, but what I can do here at the end of these two emails is basically sending one LinkedIn message and one follow-up. So when you reach out to your leads on multiple platforms, so LinkedIn and emails, you will get better reply rates, and that's why it's very useful to use a multi-channel outreach tool. Then the next thing I like is their unified inbox. So when I go on Dripify here and I click on inbox, here I can see all the replies from all my leads, from all my LinkedIn accounts and all my email accounts in just one place. So I have everything in Dripify. And of course, if I click on the lead, I can see the discussions that I have with the lead. And what's very interesting is that I can reply directly in Dripify. So for example, I can say quick follow-up. Then I press enter, and now the message has been sent on LinkedIn. So basically with this feature, you don't need to be connected on your LinkedIn account or each of your emails accounts because you have everything in just one place. One more useful feature on this page is that I can see the profile of the lead. So for example, I have the first name, last name, and I have the company name, position, city, country. And if I need more information, I just need to click here and I will see the profile directly on LinkedIn. So if you need to personalize your reply, you just need to check quickly the profile on LinkedIn and then you can send a personalized reply. Okay, next is that they have a good and simple user interface. So when you go on Dripify, you see that you don't have a lot of things on your screen. You just have what you need to do. So for example, when you want to create a campaign, you click on campaigns here. And here you just have one button, like you click on create campaign. And then you just have one more button to click on. So you don't waste your time and energy to find out what you need to do because it's very easy to use. And I think that among all the multi-channel outreach tools, Dripify has one of the best user interface. Now let's move on to the number 4. So the number 4 is that they actually have a reactive support. And why I'm saying that It's because when I connected my LinkedIn account, I had one problem. And what I did was to send a message on the chat, and I had a reply in 2 minutes, and the support was actually very good. So when I use a tool, I always like to have humans behind it who can reply and help me to use the tool. And actually, from my experience, they have a good support team. Now, the number 5 is that Dripify is safe for your LinkedIn account. So I say that because first, they don't use a Chrome extension to retrieve your session cookie on LinkedIn. Instead, they use your login and password to be connected to your LinkedIn account. And this method is one of the best to protect your LinkedIn account. Now, the second thing they do to protect your LinkedIn account is to set some limits. So for example, here you have the maximum number of actions you can do per day. And of course, you can modify that. But by default, they protect your LinkedIn account by adding some limits. So for example, you can't send more than 25 connection requests per day, or you can't send more than 30 messages, for example. So with these limits from Dripify, you keep your account safe. And finally, the pros number 6 is that you have a 7-day free trial. So when you know that you need to use a tool to perform some actions, it's always good to try it for free. And don't forget that if you want to try Dripify for free, you just need to click the first link in the description. Now let's move on to the cons. The first one is that on Dripify, you don't have any warm-up feature. So if you need to send some cold emails, you need to warm up your email address. You need to do that to have better deliverability and don't land in the spam folder of your leads. So unfortunately, on Dripify, you don't have this feature and you need to use an extra tool to warm up your email addresses. And finally, the cons number 2 is that, in my opinion, Dripify is not built to scale. So if you want to connect just one LinkedIn account and one email address, it's okay. But if you want to connect more LinkedIn or email accounts, yeah, it's not the best tool for that. But if you don't need to scale your outreach and you want a tool that is easy to use, Dripify is a very good tool for that. So if you want to try Dripify for free, you can click the first link in the description. And now if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to find leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can click somewhere on the screen. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.